Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Maggie. Today's video, as promised from my last one, it is a picture frame and it says be happy. So I DIY'd this one right after the beehive and I couldn't wait to share this with you guys. The supplies for this DIY is minimal. So the supplies are glue gun, glue sticks, wood letters, jumbo popsicle sticks, wood stain. I chose classic gray, and a canvas frame. I got the canvas frame from Target. A paintbrush. All of the supplies came from Dollar Tree except for the canvas frame. So we're going to start by removing the canvas and the stapler in the back. I just used a flathead to remove the stapler and it came out fairly easy. So after the staplers have been removed, we're going to use a sanding block and smooth out all the surface, front and back. And then after that, we're going to go on with the next step. You're going to need 10 jumbo popsicle sticks. And I'm going to use the front as the back and vice versa. So this right here should be the front, but I'm using as the back because I want the popsicle to sit in the frame. And we're going to trim both ends to fit inside the frame, and you're going to need 10 of them. Now you don't need to trim the ends if you decide to use the other way, but this is how I want my frame to be. So make it your own personal preference, okay? Okay, and now we're going to use a glue gun to glue down the popsicle sticks to the frame. The first one in the ends, we're going to glue both ends in the middle, but the rest just both ends. Okay, so everything is done. All the sticks are glued down. Now the fun part is to stain it. First, when I did this, I did not stir up my stain. Obviously, I didn't read, but anyways. So you have to stir it up really good, okay? And then use a paintbrush or a cloth and make sure you don't get it on your fingers. And then after that, we're gonna let it set for about 30 minutes to an hour. The longer the better. Let the stain set in. So now we're going to assemble the word be happy. I have to trim some of the edges off of the word happy to make it fit in the frame. And the bee stencil, I just Google it on the internet and then I just print it out. So that's what I did. Assemble it, make it fit, and then we're just gonna glue it down. And that's all to it. I am very happy with the result of this. It is so cute. You could do anything with this picture frame actually. You don't have to have the same saying as I do. And that's pretty much it. We are done. I want to thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. And leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And don't forget to hit the bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Thank you so much and have a good day. Until next time.